Hey G Squad, welcome back to episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode we got this cool amazing here, and basically what this is a padded office chair that I believe it is like leather material. If you can see for the one that we got right here, it is from a brand called Amazon Basic. And then right here is basically what the package looks like when you guys first get it. Let me actually open up to show you guys what the inside looks like first. So I do want to mention when you guys do open the package, if you guys do use a sharp object, you do want to be careful and try not to cut anything inside. So once you guys open up, here is basically what the inside looks like. So first thing inside right here, they do give you guys this corkboard instruction. And then right underneath that, you can see we do have everything else. So take everything out first. So once you guys take everything out, here is basically what the inside looks like. So the way how they package it is actually pretty interesting. If you guys notice, there's like no wheels or anything right here because everything is all inside. So you basically want to open this part right here first. So once you guys take it out, you guys want to open up right here to take out the parts. So right here is the wheels. Right here we have another part. Inside right here we do have the arms. Right here we do have the lever. And right here is probably the feet. And you probably want to take out this part right here. So once you guys take everything out, you probably want to zip it back up. And here is basically what this part looks like. So that's actually pretty cool how they do give you guys that option. So that way, if you guys want to store stuff inside right here, you do have the option available. But then right here on this side, you can see inside they do give you guys instruction manual to teach you guys how to set it up. So let's take that out first. So once you guys take that out, now you can start setting everything up. So the first thing I'm going to do is set the legs, which is this part right here. And then right here, we do have the feet or the legs. So once you guys take out the legs, you guys want to screw it on. So right here, the gas lift option. And then inside the arm option right here is the screws. So I want to take this out. So right here is basically what the screw looks like. So I screw it on. So the screw that you'll be using for the feet option is J. So what I'm going to do is put on each one of the feet right here. And then put the screw inside. And you guys want to screw on each one. So just like that. And you guys want to do the same thing for all of them. Alright, so once you guys finish putting it on, you guys can put this on top and the bottom as well. So once you guys take it out, you guys can put this on top. So just like that, and then close the other part in the bottom. It only fits one way. So just like that, and now you can put the wheels on the bottom. Once you guys put in the bottom, here is basically what the bottom part looks like. So now you can put on the middle part right here, which is for the gas lift option. So you basically want to put this back inside. And then once you guys do that, you're going to put this on top. Make sure it goes all the way in. Once it goes all the way in, now you can work on the next part. So I'll put this on one side for now. So what I'm doing right now is to put these two parts together, connecting it using the armrest option. So basically I want to put on the armrest right here like this to connect it together. And do label the inside right here R and L so that way it's know which side is which. So for this one, we'll go this side right here since it's right. And for the screws that we'll be using is L. So I'm going to put this on first. Alright, so now we can connect it on this part. Alright, so you guys want to screw it in just a little bit for now. You guys want to make sure to put it on the other side first before you guys tighten up. So now that we got all the screws in, now you can tighten up. Alright, so that should be good. Let's flip it around to the other side. Alright, so that should be good. Now you can screw in the bottom part. So the bottom part, you guys want to screw in this part right here. And when you guys put it in, you guys want to make sure the side that says front is facing this side, which is front. So it should be like this. And the screw that you'll be using is K screw. So there should be 4 of them. And you just want to screw it in the bottom right here. So once you guys finish this part, you guys can put this on top. But before I do that, I do want to show you guys what the bottom part looks like. So if you guys bring it up close, here is basically what the bottom looks like. So right here is basically where you guys want to insert it into the bottom. Right here we do have the lever option. And right here we do have the resistant option for you guys to adjust the resistance if you guys want to. And right here it does label front, so that way you know where to put it. Same thing for right here as well. And if you guys notice for the one that we got right here is a white color. They do have this available in a few other colors as well. So you definitely want to do your own research to see which one you prefer. But now let's put this on top to show you guys what the product looks like. Alright, so let's put this on top. Once you guys put it on top, here is basically what the product looks like. And the last thing for you guys to put on if you guys do want to is this part right here. So this is basically the cover for the side right here if you guys want to cover up to make it look nicer, but you don't have to use it if you guys don't want to. So for this test, we'll just leave it uncovered. But see, once you guys set the product, here is basically what the product looks like. So the whole setup process took me roughly around like 30 minutes to actually set it up. But see, when you guys do set it up, it actually looks pretty nice. So here is basically what the product looks like from the front. Here is the side, here is the back, and here's the other side. And like I mentioned, for the bottom part, they do have the wheel option. So if you guys roll it around, it does roll around pretty smoothly, but if you guys can hear it, it's pretty loud. If you can see throughout the product, they actually have this very nice leather, but you do have the padding on the arms, and the seat, and the back. The back part probably does not have as much cushion because it does have an empty spot inside because of this zipper compartment for you to put stuff if you guys want to. And for the product, you do have the option to spin it 360 if you guys want to. So just like this. So now I'm gonna sit down on here to show you guys what the product looks like and describe to you guys how well it works. And we'll try the lever option as well. So once you guys sit down on here, it actually feels pretty nice. You do get a very nice cushion for the seat option. And you also get that cushion on here as well. In terms of the cushion that's on the arm right here, it does give you guys a cushion, but doesn't give you guys a lot compared to a lot of other office chairs out there in the market today. But the back part right here, you do get the cushion, even though you do have the empty space inside. And when you guys try to rock on here, I can't rock on here because it is locked. So the way how you guys unlock it, you guys can pull it out. And once you guys pull it out, if you guys try to rock on here, now we do have the option to rock. So pretty much if you guys want to rock on here, you guys want to pull it out. But if you guys push it in, that will lock it. And you can't rock it anymore. And for the lever option right here, if you guys do pull it up, that basically brings it up. So this is how high the product is when you guys do bring it up. But if you guys push it down, this is how low it can go. But definitely when you guys do sit down on here in the bottom part, they do give you guys a double layer of cushion on here, which is pretty nice. So that way you get a really good comfort when you guys do sit down, especially if you guys are sitting down for a long period of time. So whether if you guys want to use it at home, in the office, or anywhere else, wherever you guys want to use it, or how you guys want to use it, that is totally up to you guys. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now to come unboxing and testing product. Now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for this chair, I do have to say that it's pretty worth it if you guys want to need one of these, especially if you guys are in the market looking for a very simple office chair where there's not too much going on and it's very easy for you guys to assemble it and also give you guys the cushion and everything else. Then I do have to say that it's pretty worth it. But then obviously for those guys who don't want or don't need one or haven't one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else you actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.